everyone, welcome to my channel.
In today's video I'm gonna show you one of the most popular haircut, a pixie haircut. There's a great variety of pixie cuts, and since they allow for customizations, you are the one to regulate how short your pixie cut will be. In general, it can be anything from 0.5 to 3 inches in length. Pixie short hairstyles go with any aesthetics, even if it's a solid hair color, so if you tend to change the style or if your wardrobe is filled with many experimental outfits, this hairstyle is perfect for you. Pixie haircuts for women with the right styling are perfect for any formal event that calls for your charm and allure. This hairstyle is also great for a relaxing day because it can match any style you lean towards. If you want to know about more haircut, and you can use to make your personality more charming, then subscribe my YouTube channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed and keep smiling.